Hey, it's Esther, your level 99 AliExpress buyer. Today we have a very special product. You might think it does one thing, but it actually does many things. What are we talking about? This right here. Right off the bat, when you look at it, what do you think it does? Well, if you want to know, make sure... Please go ahead and like and subscribe this channel. Do comment below and you might win one of these. So we open it up. It's pink in color. Packaging is super nice, quite casual. It's got these buttons at the back, left and right. I like how tiny it is. It fits in your palm. Check that out. Wow. It's beautiful. So it's actually a power bank that has two other features. Let's see if it charges our phone. So this thing goes in here. Doesn't fit all the way, but it doesn't feel too bad. And I'm going to charge my Android phone with it. Does it work? Voila, it does. So, right off the bat, it's actually a mirror as well. So you can just carry it around for men and for women. For girls, if you want to do your makeup, you can. For guys, if you want to fix your hair, you can do that too. The mirror is really nice in there. Very clean and clear. It is also a Game Boy, like a game console. It says that it has 400 games. That's so cool. It has Chinese and English. Oh my god. As you guys can see, it says 400 in one, which means it has 400 games. Right now we're scrolling all the games. There are so many. Chinese chess, Battle City, Kung Fu. Let's do Kung Fu. This is insane. Right off the bat, my goodness, the quality, the resolution of the screen is so good. Like, I would think it's super cheap, but it's not. Check it out. Yeah, the resolution is super, super nice. I mean, when you're like, the font is very clean. It feels good to look at it. It feels like you're actually playing on a little Game Boy. And then when you click on the game features are quite nice as well. So for the price, which is $30, this is not bad at all. Let's try to play the game. Oh my god, I'm dying. Ah! No! This is so freaking cool. I love it. This is great. I really like the way it feels. The mirror function, I mean, personally, I don't need it that much, but it's super useful. Why not, right? Just throw it in there. The power bank is still charging. Seems good so far. And then the buttons just feel so good. I mean, I would just buy it personally because of all the games that are in here. Let me know, do you think this is useful? I mean, are you someone who will take it on the go and actually play games with it? Or do you think it's a little bit unnecessary? One thing I should mention is that you might think it feels super heavy. It is so light. It actually, honestly, feels lighter than a normal power bank that I have that just is for power bank function. Two things to mention, it has two different types of ports that you can use. So this is the one that it comes with, which is for the Android, but you can also utilize one for an iPhone, no problem at all.